This card has been sitting in a recipe box for decades. Sour cream cookies, no butter, just shortening. Why? This isn't a cooking show. This is preservation. We're saving the recipes that fed families, doing so before the ink fades and the box gets tossed. Looking at the handwriting, it's confident, it's practical, with no extra words. This wasn't written for attention. It was written to be used. The two clues that tell you everything are right here: sour cream and shortening. That combo isn't fancy, it's functional. Sour cream meant tenderness, soft cookies that stayed gentle for days. Shortening meant reliability, steady texture, shelf-stable, and easier to stretch when money was watched. This is the kind of recipe that shows up when kitchens are practical and busy, when the goal isn't a showpiece dessert. It's something steady you can count on. These were everyday cookies made for lunch pails, family snacks, the kind that have after-school hands reaching for just one more. Quiet recipes survive because they fit real life. Whoever wrote this, she didn't need a brand. She didn't need perfect lighting. She needed something that worked every time. Even the nutmeg tells a story, a small spice note, warm, familiar, old world, the kind of flavor that makes a plain cookie feel like home. So here's the real question. In a world of towering desserts and viral recipes, does a simple, pale, tender cookie still belong? Yes, because not every recipe was written to impress. Some were written to feed a family, to stretch a pantry, and to make an ordinary day feel brighter with a cookie. And that's why this matters. A handwritten card isn't just a recipe. It's a footprint, a reminder that someone stood in a kitchen and made life happen. If you've got a box like this in your family, don't let it disappear. Pull one card, share its story, keep it alive. Sour cream cookies, 1 cup sour cream, 1½ cups white sugar, 1 cup shortening, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 4 cups flour, sifted, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Stir, roll, cut, and sprinkle with sugar. Grease cookie sheet. Bake at 375 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes or until done. This is Handwritten Heritage Recipes. We preserve the recipes that raised us, one card at a time. This one is worth saving. The card goes back into the box, but its story lives on with you. We'll keep sharing and preserving these recipes of the past. If preserving these recipes matters to you, please share them, like them, and subscribe. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, be blessed.